This is not where the story begins, this is where it ends. January in Hanoi, the city roosting towards the Lunar New Year's. Everyone is running against the clock. But sometimes you just need to pause and find a place where the time moves a little slower. They say the smell of burned wood is the smell of the memories. Here, there is feels of the modern night. No metal grill, just bamboo stick and charcoal. It's a stubborn way to cook. It takes time, it takes patience. But maybe that's exactly what makes it so fun. That's warm. It's not just the temperature, it feels like coming home. The bamboo scene is really make the difference, doesn't it? It's subtle, but it's there, an earthy, woody note that metal grill just can't produce. The meat is sharp, crispy on the edge, yet the bamboo keeps inside incredible juices. It's a beautiful contradiction, balanced by the warm, sweet broth. Suddenly, the winter chill outside doesn't matter anymore.
Hanoi is a city of layers. The best thing are never on surface. You have to dig for them. To find this place, you don't look for a coffee site, you look for a sale shop, and then you have to be brave enough to walk straight through it. It feels like a secret tunnel separating two worlds. Behind me is the chaos of the 21st century. Ahead of me is pure nostalgia. This isn't a cafe designed by an architect. It's an old family home that's just decided to open its door. The peeling paint, the winding spiral staircase, the family shrine, nothing staged. It's beautiful, imperfect. The way up is narrow and steep. It forces you to slow down step by step. You leave the ground deeper below. It's a modern city full of elevators. This climb feels earned. Everyone tell you to try egg coffee, but today I want something softer. Salted coffee. It sounds like a mistake, right? Salt in the coffee, but wait for the first sip. The salty foam hits your tongue first, a little shot to wake you up. Then it leaves the sweetness of the milk and deepens the bitterness of the Robusta. It's savory, it's complex, it's a flavor that demands your attention. It's hard to find, hard to climb, but impossible to forget. Most people rush in here, grab a stick, and run out. They look down at the ice cream, but they forget to look up. Look at this arch, the mosaic floors. Since the renovation, this place doesn't look like a shop anymore. It feels like a grand change station where the only destination is childhood. It's 50 degrees outside, we are wearing coats, so naturally we eat ice cream.
Nice.
No table, no chair, just stranger people standing and sharing the sweet moment.
It's a peculiar Hanoi paradox, eating something cold to feel like cold even more. It's not just a snack, it's a challenge against the weather.
It's chaos, but it's beautiful, isn't it?
I always go for cold, green rice flavor, but today I want to try something new, so I go with apricot. It's not smooth like Italian gelato, it's a bit icy, bit rustic and sour. So different with a basic flavor like green rice, chocolate, vanilla, because of the flavor of the tropical fruit. Standing here at number 1 Trang Tien, it feels like a stepping into the different dimension. Just a few meters away, the traffic of Hanoi never stops. But the moment you walk past the yellow wall, the noisy fade away. We are standing in front of one of the most beautiful buildings in Hanoi. It holds an ancient soul of Vietnam, the dragon, the dynasty. This building itself is a masterpiece. It's not just French, it's not fully Vietnamese, it's Indochina, a unique blend of East and West, designed to withstand half the tropical heat and guard the memory of thousands of years. But today, its doors are closed, maybe at a sign, because to understand the Hanoi of today, we don't look at emperors. We need to look at the structure that came after. Just around the corner is a different chapter. No more gold, no more silence. From the 19th century onward, history here wasn't written in stone. It was written in iron, and sweet and will. Walking through this hall, you feel the way. These aren't just artifacts, they are scars. You see chains, the guillotine blade. But look closer, you also see the pens, the newspaper. Even in the darkest times, the desire of the freedom was brighter than any prison cells. This is my favorite object, the simple bicycle. The world had tanks and airplanes. We had this, modified with the wood and bamboo to carry hundreds of kilos of rice up to the mountain. It proved that victory didn't come from advanced weapons. It came from human endurance. It's the spirit of impossible is nothing. And finally, peace. It wasn't given to us. It was built brick by brick, generation by generation.
This is not where the story begins, this is where it ends.